In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create different headers on different pages in Google Docs, which is a handy tool when you want to differentiate sections of your document. Let's dive right in. First, let's assume you've got your two different headers ready. This is the foundation, and having this up front will save you time as we move forward. Next, open your Google Doc and head to the part of the text you want to use as your header. Highlight this piece of text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Once you have it selected, we'll copy it. This is as simple as right-clicking the highlighted text and choosing the copy option, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Copying this text will allow us to reuse it as our header in the next steps. Now let's create a space for this header. Double click on the topmost area of your document. This action will open up the header section, which is usually blank at first. Here we need to toggle on the option for different first page. You'll find this option in the header toolbar, and clicking it will allow you to set a unique header for the first page, distinct from the rest of your document. With that setting in place, you can paste your copied text right into the header area. Right-click in the header section and choose Paste, or simply use Ctrl+V or Command+V, and there you go. Your first page now has a unique header. Moving on, you'll need to add a different header for the following pages. Scroll to the second page of your document and select the text you'd like to feature as this header. Highlight and copy this text just as we did previously, then double click on the header space at the top of the page. It should open up, ready for you to populate with different text. Paste your newly copied text into the second header section in the same way. And that's it. You've successfully created distinct headers on different pages in your Google Doc. This method is particularly beneficial if you're working on a professional report, a resume, or any document where varying section headers help improve readability and organization. Adding different headers can give a polished and professional look to your document, making it easier to navigate and understand for your readers. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow and helpful for your writing projects. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. Happy writing!